Welcome to Focus Mind.
Welcome to Drone Yoga, everyone. Today we'll practice object meditation. Please go ahead and make your screen full screen and simply observe, see what you're looking at. In object meditation, we look, we see, we are mindful of the image of whatever we are present with. However, we do not let it go beyond our sense organs, meaning we see the image, we see the movement, the flow, but try to just let it be there, not adding any story or any adjective or any description to whatever you're seeing. If you do find yourself having that little bit of schizophrenic talking to yourself moment, don't worry about it, it's okay. Just return over and over, just watching, allowing yourself to soften in your gaze so that as you watch the flow, the movement, there's a sense of ease in the body. There's a sense of dissolving, of letting go. Though you are focused and mindful at one point, allow yourself to soften, to really come to the place where you are doing nothing, where you are watching and slowly allowing the watcher disappear. No more doing, rather being. Stay with the image. Softness. Surrendering. Being. Only now. The more we dissolve, the more we allow ourselves to surrender into just being and just seeing. Eventually, it is not even mindfulness practice, but really dropping the mind altogether so that you can connect, be one with your experience. That is the true yoga. The oneness beyond our separating mind. The oneness of simply being with all that there is. As you practice this, make sure you're practicing from a place of love and compassion. Please be kind to yourself when you notice that your mind drifted away, and simply return to the object, to the present, to just being. Keep practicing over and over again And then take this out into the world. Practice being present with your eating, with anything that you're doing, you're walking, you're talking. And so that over time, this simply becomes part of who you are. Thank you all so much for your practice, for watching, for being here with me. Leave me your thoughts below. How was this experience for you? What is your favorite meditation? Do you prefer object, guided? Maybe the simple Zen meditation, just following the breath. Let me know. Hit like, and do share this with others, as this can really help many people. Love you, and hope to see you again soon.